What's up, guys? Black Hat Brothers here with Caden Woosley Unleashed. We are doing our first ever Wager Wars episode. Luke is being our cameraman today. He is going to be behind the camera. All right.
This is how Wager Wars works. Each contestant will get to take one turn per round making a wager as to something they think that they can do. Then everyone else also gets to decide whether or not they think that person can do it. Whoever gets it correct gets points. In round 1, the people that guessed it correctly get 1 point, round 2, 2 points, and round 3, 3 points. Round 3 is a little different though, so stay tuned for that. Alright, let's do it.
Alright, it is my turn to make a bet, and here it is. I bet you that y'all can't make me laugh for an entire minute.
You should have to put some water in your mouth. That way if you laugh, it goes... Hey, me and Caleb, we both think that we can make Ben laugh. Drink the water now. All right.
Go!
What's that deodorant? Hey! He won't laugh. I don't know what to add to this.
It's done. Ben wins.
No.
I get 1 point from that.
Yeah.
That was fun for me.
Yeah, I didn't really know what to add to that. I was kind of waiting for Caden to finish up, and he just kind of didn't.
All right, I bet you I can run through the ninja course faster than Ben can.
The ninja course is just an obstacle course we have in our backyard. I'm up for it. I think I can beat him.
I think that Ben can beat him.
Okay.
You must swing and touch the tree. Done.
All right, full time of 109.
109.
What the
Slack line.
The slack line? The slack
How many
line?
steps is that? Like,
Caden, you gotta. Oh, I see what he's doing.
all right, Caden, what was that?
Okay, so basically, if you look at the old clip, roll the clip, I bet you I can run through the ninja course faster than Ben can. You see that I said, I bet you I can run through the ninja course faster than you. Well, Ben was like, we'll run through the ninja course. I bet I can go through the ninja course.
That's exactly how I said it, actually.
That's how he said it. Ben was thinking in his head, I can do the ninja course faster than you. And I said run through. So I just ran through. And I ran through faster than Ben ran through. 900 IQ
1
boys.
point for Caden. All right, Caleb.
Yes, so here's my bet. I bet that if me and Caden both text 10 random numbers, the one who I text will respond before someone Caden texts stuff.
All right, yeah, I'm with Caleb. I think
Dude,
it'll
there's no way. Have you ever seen my texting skills?
I've unfortunately been on the receiving end.
Bring it on.
work. All right. Me and Caleb are texting 10 random people.
Alright, so for mine, I'm going to take a video of myself, and in the video, I'm just telling them to subscribe to Caden Woosley Unleashed.
I'm texting 8675309.
Dude, I wonder, whoever has that number must get so many spam calls.
Yeah, I doubt they'll be the one to respond, but you know, it's worth a try.
Fair enough.
Hey, you should subscribe to Caden Woosley Unleashed. Thanks. I'm going to send that video to 10 random people. Let's do it.
All right.
Now we sit here and wait for 3 hours.
Now we are gonna continue on with the challenge. If at any point somebody responds, the points will be divvied out. On to the next thing.
Round 2.
All right, round 1 is over. I have 1 point. Caden has 1 point. We're still seeing how Caleb's challenge works out. So till then, we are gonna move on to round 2. The only thing that's different is everything worth 2 points. We've got 3 rounds, so we're getting towards the end. Caleb, you are going first.
Yes.
What are you gonna do?
I bet you that I can hang on that pull-up bar over there for a minute, like without touching the ground.
No, I'm not. No.
I'm going to say, yeah, I think you can.
Okay, Caden
I
thinks he
believe in
can.
those bad boys.
Caleb is now attempting to hang on the pull-up bar for 1 minute without touching the ground. Let's see what happens.
Hey, you know...
What is happening?
What in the... No way.
Okay, new camera angle.
Yeah, that's probably why.
Okay, Caleb successfully hung on a pull-up bar for 1 minute.
The trust!
2 points for Caleb. Good job. All right, Caden, what are you gonna do?
All right, I bet you I can hide somewhere in this mansion.
Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoever lives there must be awesome.
Yeah, I bet you I can hide in there somewhere. Who knows where? Do you like my rhyme?
All right. Anyway.
I bet you that I can hide somewhere in there, and these two will not be able to find me for 1 minute.
I'm gonna vote that we can find him. I vote yes. Or I vote no that he can't do it.
Do you think you can do it?
Sure. Okay. All right. Me and Caleb are the search squad. You have 3 minutes to hide. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Now let's do this thing. And 1, 2, 3, let's go for it. Go for it. Go. Go. I'll get the upstairs. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
You in here, buddy?
First door on the right. Let's try it. What? Whoa! He's right here, Caleb.
Oh my word, they already found him. Where was he? Oh my word.
It was literally the first thing I did.
Okay, I was trying to go in the other closet, but it was freaking locked, and I couldn't unlock the door.
Like literally 7 lockpicks on the dresser right here.
Yeah.
All right, I've got an interesting one for my second round.
That was in unison.
3, 2, 1. This is my next betcha challenge. I bet you that I can throw a basketball from right here. This isn't a trick question. I just think I can make it. I have 3 tries.
No way.
All right?
Make it in the basketball goal?
Yeah, straight up make it.
I'm standing there.
Yeah.
No.
All right, well, if I make it, I get 2 points.
The instant replay said your foot did cross the line though. You need to be careful. Oh! Once again, the foot, it's across the line. 2 strikes. If you get 3 strikes, you lose all your attempts.
You have to admit, I was really close.
Round 3.
So, round 3. The way this works, we are each going to write down 1 betcha on a piece of paper. And that can be literally anything you want it to be. And there's a 1 in 3 chance you're going to get it yourself. So, each of these are worth 3 if you can do it. You're not allowed to bet on other people's. It's just a straight up challenge. You want to make it hard, but not too hard. Let's see how this goes. All right, Caleb. Whatever you pick, if you can do it, you get 3 points. Is it allowed for all of you? Not all of them. Okay.
Strand you in the woods, and you have to get back and ring the bell in 5 minutes.
The way this is going to work is me and Caden are going to blindfold Caleb, walk him out into the middle of the woods, and give him 5 minutes to come back and ring the bell that is out at the side of the garage. All right, so we are going to walk into the woods. We'll see you when we're there.
Okay, once the bell goes off, I can start.
Sure. When the bell goes.
Hold up. I don't think I'm gonna be able to. Okay, we're going.
We're back at base camp at the bell. We just sprinted like all the way back.
I think I see the house up there.
We put him so far back in those woods. I don't even know if he could get back here if he knew exactly where he was going.
Okay. That's not the house.
There are trails leading all throughout it that if he knew them well enough, he could definitely get back, but I'm not sure he does, so we'll see how he does.
Aren't you see something at Fortnite item shop where you can't go?
I'm not a quitter. Camera went out for a second there. I know where I am though. Finish up strong.
I'm gonna choose something. I hope it is not bad. $50 dizzy bats immediately make a layup. So I get 1 try.
Yeah.
Give me the ball, give me the ball, give me the ball. So that means that if Caden wins his challenge, he wins, and if he doesn't, Caleb wins.
The pressure is on me, no?
All right.
Please me 1 card and 1 card only.
There, take it.
Oh, my. I did not really want this card, but I'm going to roll with the
Wait,
punches.
that's the one you wrote, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. it says, one try, get 5 kills in a match of Fortnite. So we'll see how it goes.
Where are you dropping? Where are you?
I'm just going for a few early kills, not like...
Oh! There's actually...
What is that?
Oh!
There you go.
Alright, well, that's the game, folks. Me and Caden have lost. Caleb has won the first ever Wager Wars challenge.
Yes.
Alright.
Right here, hey. I'm making you lots of bloopers. Okay, go ahead.
Caleb, we.
What's up, guys? Black Hat Brothers here and Caden Woosley Unleashed.
What's up, homie?
Hey, yeah, we're not
That's
using
dumb.
that.
We think Ben can do it. Yeah. I'm so sad.
Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to let us know down in the comments what you'd like us to do in the future, or if you want us to keep making more of these kinds of episodes. We really hope you enjoyed it.
Yep, and if you didn't enjoy it, or you think that there's something that can be improved, there'll be a link in the description of the video. It'll take you to Caden's channel. Just tell Caden about all the things that he can do better.
Yeah.
Also, make sure to like and subscribe and tell everyone you know. Alright? I think that's it.